Hi, I'm Dalton V, survival expert in over 30 countries. You might know me from my previous episode of Nature is Beautiful. These toads, they taste so much better than grass. There, we talked about trees and how beautiful trees are, and my love for trees. This here is an American pine tree, one of the most beautiful bitches I've ever seen. This episode, we're gonna talk about my love for something different. Something white. Something wet. Something delicious. That's right, snow. Right now, we're in the beautiful state of snowy Minnesota. And today, I'm gonna show you around and show you the beauties of snow and why I love snow so much. Come on, let's go. See you on the flip side. I gotta hurry up, there's a fucking snowmobile coming. Wowee. Would you look at this view? I can see Alaska from up here. Oh, welcome to the beautiful mountains of Minnesota. You know, one thing that makes Minnesota unique from any other place in the world is that we have snow here. Only in Minnesota will you find snow. Anyways, I'm gonna show you around town. There's some really beautiful places, and let's not forget, there's a whole lot of snow. And that's what we're here for. What the fuck? Where am I? So, this is it.